exciting for you. I have created your very own skin smoothing action. So it's what you guys see me use when I'm doing a lot of portrait work and skin retouching. So I'm going to show you guys how to load it as well as how to use it. So you're going to download it out of the Dropbox, and that's the first step. So you're going to download it, you're going to get it on your computer, and obviously this is for Mac. I'm assuming it's something similar for Windows, but I'm a Mac user, so that's what I'm going to show you guys. So you're going to go to your Finder, your applications, your version of Photoshop, presets, actions, okay? And you're going to take that action and you're going to drag it into your actions folder, and you would authenticate it. I'm not going to do that now because it's already loaded, and it's going to go in there. And you're going to go to Photoshop, and you are going to go to your actions window. Now, if you haven't used that yet, you go to Windows and you go to Actions right there. And when you do that, your actions are going to pop up just like this. So these are my actions that I have, most of them. I only use like 3 of all of these. But when I started, I thought I needed a million actions, so I bought them. So you're going to go over to here and you're going to go to Load Actions. And you're going to go back into where you were, and you're going to find that action, and you are going to load it. So let me just get rid of this really quick. So what should happen is that action should load up in your action bar. So for you guys, that option is skin softening is what you're going to come up with. So it's going to pull up your camera raw. You're going to hit OK. And now you're going to see that action is right here, right? So it's invisible because it's black. It's on a layer mask. If we hit Command I and turn that on, you would see it would apply that action to the whole image. Not what we want to do. We want to just be on the black layer. And then you're going to want to take care of any other like big like pimples or stray hairs or anything like that first. This is once you get all that cleaned up, and you're going to take a white brush, and you know I like to work personally on 100% flow and then 100% opacity, and then change that down here. So I'm going to do that now so you guys can see. And as I paint that action on, you can see what it does. It just brightens the skin, and it just makes it nice and smooth and pretty. Now, you want to be careful using this action. You don't want to put it on lips. You don't want to put it in the shadowy areas, like right there. It wouldn't look right. You don't want to put it on hair or eyebrows or eyes. So you want to be careful where you choose to apply this. Don't go crazy with it. And so you can see, when I turn it off and on, how nice and smooth and pretty it made her skin look. Now, as far as what level you leave this at, that is completely up to you. You can see she had a lot of mascara fall off. I would have taken care of that before I showed you guys, but I'm just trying to show you how to use the action. So then you can actually pull that down as much or as little as you want until you feel like it looks good, and then you can flatten your image. And so that is how you use your new action to soften skin in Photoshop.